The PosterArtist Lite software application makes it easy to create and print high-quality posters and signs. Follow these 4 steps. Select Template, set paper options, edit, and print. Click Step 1. Select Template. To use a template, first find one you want to use using View All Templates, Find Template, or browsing for one in the category list. When you find one you like, double-click it to bring the template into the design area. Click Step 2. Paper Options. From the Paper Options settings list, set the page size. For example, set 24 by 36. You can also set a custom size. Set the poster orientation to match the template you chose. Select your imagePROGRAF printer from the list. Select a media source. You can choose roll paper or cut sheet. We'll choose roll paper. Select the media type. We'll choose Canon Satin Photo Paper 170 GSM. Set the roll paper width to match the page size. We'll choose 36-inch roll. If you'd like, enable borderless printing, or enable enlarged reduced printing and crop marks. Click Step 3. Edit. Note the list of design options in the Edit list. From the Edit settings list, you can add or replace images, clip art, text, shapes and backgrounds, edit images, and add frame effects. The PosterArtist Lite library holds images you can use, or you can import your own. Click any image on the template you selected. With the image selected, choose a new image from the library to replace it, or click Add Replace to browse for one. Your poster is updated. If you want to add your image to the library, click the image once to select it, and then click Add to Photos, Clip Art. Specify the artwork type and the category in which to store this image. Click OK. The image is now stored in the library. You can even create new categories if you'd like. Click Clip Art. You can add elements like speech bubbles, arrows, seasonal graphics, and stylized text if you'd like. Next, click Text. From here, you can add or edit text and text graphics. Click Shapes to include elements like lines, squares, circles, and so on, to add interest to your poster. Click Backgrounds to specify a background theme according to your design goals. You can choose seasonal, geometric, or various textured backgrounds. Lastly, click Step 4. Print. Specify the print quality. You can choose high, standard, or fast. You don't typically need to choose a matching method. The matching method is a way of visually reproducing colors during printing. Auto optimizes color matching for images, graphics, or text. Perceptual optimizes color matching for photos and includes smooth gradation. Colorimetric optimizes color matching for image data but can show loss of gradation. Saturation optimizes color matching for printing posters. Using free layout makes these options unavailable, so for this example, we'll leave free layout unchecked. Specify the number of copies. If you'd like, enable Check Print Preview before printing to see your poster before it's printed. When you're satisfied with all settings, click Print.